Yo, it is currently Thursday, August 28th, 8:57 a.m. And today my daily bias is bullish. So why I say that is, if we take a look at the 1 minute, we had GDP, unemployment claims come out, and it pushed us up pretty bullish. All we left is a data low. We're right next to London high, so I think we're definitely going to take that. And possibly the previous data high from the Nvidia earnings at 4, I believe it came out like at 420. It ended up coming out yesterday. 420, yeah. So yeah, I believe that we're gonna run up, we're gonna take those and then maybe come down and try to get this data low, but definitely gonna seek these as the two targets to begin with. The confirmation comes off of this 15-minute. We inversed, displaced out of it. Same thing with the hourly. We are just shooting up on the hourly, and on the 4 hour, we had just two back-to-back pretty great bullish candles. So I'm definitely gonna stick with that. Oh, and on the daily too, we inversed the daily gap, tested it, and now we're moving out. So all signs of bullish indication. So that's my bias on the day. All right, there's open. Tag that 15. Oh shit. Wow. Damn, there goes my idea. We are flying. ES about to hit all-time highs. So we hit a 4 hour, now we're just dumping. So, and we're like S&T to damn near everything here because ES is sitting at all-time highs, basically. All right, so we're in this 5 minute now. Have a couple targets up here, but I just want to see what conditions are doing because as you can see, we've completely flipped on ES. We were shooting up and now we're just pumping down. So kind of want to use this 5 minute as a condition and see if we can hold this gap. Yeah, this 5 minutes not looking good. Like, we have this 2 minute possible, but the 5 minutes looking like it wants to inverse, and it's one of those days where you just got to play off of like a condition like that because I mean we don't have clear indication of where price exactly wants to go at the moment. It's not like we're hella bullish or hella, why is this shit falling, or hella bearish. Alright, we're looking hella fucking bearish now. Look at ES, bro. As soon as it got to all-time highs, that shit sold off a lot. Alright, we do have 10 a.m. news. Let's see if it bumps us into that 5. Not much going on today at all. Another shit day. See if we can get into this 5. That's the last hope. Oh shit, I didn't even peep we had another 5. I didn't even peep we had another 5. That's more hope. Hey. Alright, we tagged it. Alright, we have this 2 minute 10 a.m. open, high, low, close. Especially if we get on this. Imagine we get on this candle. Fucking fire, bro. Okay. Let's not take this low. And we fucking have equal highs, bro. We fucking have equal highs, bro. Fuck, this shit looked amazing. Alright, I'm still believing it. Good, we left equal lows. Alright. I still believe in this 2 minute, especially now that we took those equal highs. And now we're fucking flying, right? Right? What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, I was so ready to take that shit. If we inverse this 5, that's essentially cooked. So we just need to... And now we're just fucking pumping up. Like, this shit makes no sense. No way we inverse both fucking 5 minutes. There's no way. Damn, bruh. Oh shit. We ended up holding out on both 5 minutes. Let's just pour down now, please. Got this 3 minute. Ideally, this candle would give it to us. I need this shit to flip now, bro. I cannot inverse this 5. If this inverses this 5, it's done. There we go. And we fucking inverse the fucking 5. Great. Fucking great. Fucking great. Fucking great. Fucking amazing. Fucking everything. Fucking amazing. Fucking great. Fucking amazing, bro. Fucking bitch. Alright. You fucking bitch. Fuck, dude. All I'm gonna say is, if this 5-minute inverse is lower, come on. Fuck, so fucking close. So fucking close. I'm fucking excited, bro. I hope this shit. Like, I'm fucking excited. I'm fucking excited. Can we not fly? Okay, can we not fly, please? Please. 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 Please not, please. Okay. Let's go. We got 3 minutes. Got 3 minutes. Alright, if this closes right now, hopefully we could get a limit. It's looking like it might be a limit, but I'm taking on everything. If we get this, I'm taking it on everything. Only if we do it on this candle, though, I'm taking it on everything. AKA, I funded in one eval. Like, alright, it's looking solid. Bro. They're not combining. Alright, I'm in. Ideally, want to see this 5-minute just completely flip bearish and continue down with this momentum just to keep that pressure up and give me more confidence in this. Okay, maybe not. Bro, I'm getting an edge now. It's like we have equal lows below. We have London low. We inverse the 5-minute off a tap in a 5-minute. I don't get it. I truly don't. Like, we couldn't at least run to the equal lows before doing this shit. And one candle, too. And I'm out of there. Nice. That makes no sense. That shit genuinely doesn't make sense. Alright. Well, that's it for today then. No more trades. Damn, I took that shit on my actual funded too. Wow. So it goes, it stops us out, and it flips. Well, that's where I'm gonna call it. No more trades for me. Catch you during PTC, man. Rough day. Rough day. Yo, it is now 1:27 and it is time for PTC. So let's talk about this trade I took where I took it on here on my top step. I risked 6 contracts, so it was a $505 risk. And then I took it on, this is my first trade on an actual funded account, which I'll get into this a little bit later, but I risked 250. So the trade come in here. So market open was here. We came up, took out these good bullish targets and data high, previous day high, and we took out London high. So then we immediately just shoot down. All right, cool. This is great bullish pressure. My bias coming into the day was bullish. We inversed this 5-minute. I believe it was also, oh no, it wasn't a 15. I'm tripping. That's too soon. But yeah, now we're showing like, boom, clear indication. I mean, look at how strong the displacement is. A retracement up, continuation model. Perfect, right? That's what I'm thinking now. The only problem that I will say is that we technically, yes, did inverse this 5. But as soon as we inversed this 5, we inversed it another 5 to the downside again because we had respected the upper 5-minute, which is perfectly fine. So then, you know, I'm thinking, okay, cool. We have London low, great draw on liquidity. That's an excellent target that adds to this trade. Then here was actually, right here was equal lows. Well, not on here, obviously on minis. Equal lows. Perfect. Even more of a reason why price wants to trade down, and that's a perfect break-even point. So, yeah, this trade ran straight to fucking stop loss, but I'm taking this trade 10 out of 10 times. I'm not mad at this trade at all. And I was kind of like, I was worried because obviously this is my first trade with technically real money now. You know, this was the first trade, and it was a loss. So I'm worried about what's my site going to be like
when I take a loss on a funded opposed to an eval. Because I was already low-key tripping before when I would take a loss. Obviously, because, you know, I'm scared of that dollar sign going down and things like that. But, bro, I'm chilling. Like, I'm glad that I'm fine with it. I'm glad I'm accepting it. You know, I understand and I've learned that losses are a part of a winning model. Yeah, I fucking lose every fucking time and I don't win as much. But, dude, I'm learning still. And my discipline to only take one trade is good here. You know, I'm following my rules. I've risked correctly. 250 risk on a funded. And I took one trade. And I took a good trade. A trade I'm not mad at all. So I'm not mad at this at all, bro. I'm not upset with this whatsoever. Yeah, I lost $750, but I'm not mad at this whatsoever. I do want to say this account low-key fucking with me, bro. Like, I feel like this combine's cursed. This is my first ever eval that I bought. I'm still on it. I think I still need like 2,500 now. I've been taking L after L after L on it. I feel like it's cursed, bro. But yeah, my main thing for this PTC was to say, like, I'm glad that I just accepted the loss and I'm just moving on with it. I lost $250, my first ever trade on a funded account, and I'm glad it was a good trade. I'm glad it was a trade I'm not mad at. It was a trade with what I feel like had good conviction. Like, it was a pretty solid setup. It wasn't A+, no. But, excuse me, it was a great setup, and I was targeting 2R when full TP would have been 2.26, but I would have just targeted 2 just to make 500, call it a day. And yeah, you know, I'm glad I'm like this. Like, you see me. Like, I'm not like, but I feel like recently with trading, I've been learning to be more patient, more calm. Because old me would have been flipping shit. I'm not going to lie. Old me would have been tweaking the fuck out. But recently, you know, I've been learning to just be more calm. And I'm trusting the process. I'm believing it. I'm putting my faith in it. And I'm just going to sit here. I'm going to stay the course. And I'm going to bust my ass to make sure that this works. First trade on a funded was a fucking... But I'm okay with it because it was a good trade. And I followed my rules. I reacted quickly. I risked properly. Like I said I wanted to do this week. All my goals this week so far have been done. Yeah, I haven't won anything. I passed my first funded. Let's not lie. That's a good goal. And under 4 months, that's a pretty good step. My first trade on it, an L, whatever, dude. On to the next one. That's why I feel like with this risk management of risking 250 and essentially targeting 2R is fine because I'm going to make it back and more. My next win, which is going to be tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, a little bit of a rough day. I'm happy with this trade, even though it lost. I'm taking this 10 out of 10 times. And yeah, hopefully you guys have a nice day, and I'll catch you tomorrow.